Okay, breakfast time. We have, ano ba to? Parang spam or maling. Vegetables, egg, talang na maliit. Kanin. At saka ano to? Parang dessert. Hindi ko alam. Tikman natin mamaya. Kape tayo sa umaga. Yan, makishare tayo ng table dyan sa harapan. Ayan, mga kakusina, safe naman dito kasi may mga Coast Guard. Ayan. So, medyo maulan, but according to the Coast Guard, okay lang yung weather kasi hindi naman gaanong maalon. Maulan lang talaga, pero sana magpakita yung araw mamaya. So, let's go to Onok. Yay! Say hi to my vlog! Hi. We're going to Onok, finally.
The highlight of the trip.
Yes, the highlight. Oh, careful. It's the highlight of our trip. That's the reason why we booked it. This is Onok Island. This is better than Boracay. Kung akong tatanungin, this is so much better than Boracay. Sana all dito nakatira. Pwede mag-overnight dito, but our tour does not include the overnight package. Mas mahal yon. Pero okay na. We don't need to do overnight here. Finally, the highlight of this Balabac trip na bisita namin. We were kind of worried because it was raining in the morning. So we were just, all of us were hoping and praying that the sun would come out today so that we can visit Onok Island, because if not, if the Coast Guard does not give a go signal, there's no way that we can enter this place. I want to give a shout out to the Wonder Walkers because they've arranged this trip. Again, everything is included. The entrance fee to this island is already included in the package. And we are going to stay here until 2 p.m. Imagine that we arrive at 9. We'll leave at around 2 p.m. Dito na kami magla-lunch. Actually, we can stay all day here. The group mates that I have on the tour, lahat kami gusto whole day na dito. Kasi if you've seen one of the other islands, practically you've seen them all. Pero dito sa Onok, this is one of a kind. If you look at this place, oh my god, the water is so clear, it's so pristine. I wanna live here. May signal dito. I even have data. I'm just gonna enjoy this place. Tapos naman na akong mag-video ng kung ano mang kailangan kong video. So, magsiswimming na lang tayo. Ang ganda dito. Sa totoo lang, naiiyak ako. Naiiyak ako sa ganda. This is another part of the island of Onok Island. Parang mamaya dito ako magstay kasi mas tahimik dito. This is the other side of the island. Oh my god. Check the view. Napakaganda. Ay, nako. Nakaka-relax naman talagang magstay sa mga ganitong lugar. Later, dito ako magsistay kasi masyado nang maraming tao dun sa popular part ng Onok. This is so beautiful. I love it. You're gonna love this too.